Last week, we discussed legislation in the Texas Senate, which, if passed, will make undocumented entry into Texas a state crime, with first-time offenders facing a year in prison, second-time offenders facing 2, and offenders with a prior felony conviction facing life behind bars. Companion legislation to this, also in the Texas Senate, is the proposal House Bill 20. If House Bill 20 passes, Texas will field a new unit under its Department of Public Safety to track down, arrest, and deport undocumented people. Stationed at the border, the unit will be run by a chief serving at the pleasure of the governor, who will oversee a mix of locally recruited law enforcement and ordinary citizens without a felony conviction. It's the only requirement to be part of this new force is don't have a felony. These unit members will have immunity from criminal prosecution and lawsuits in pursuing their mission to arrest, detain, deter individuals crossing the border illegally, including with the use of non-deadly force. They will also use force to repel, arrest, and detain known transnational cartel operatives in the border region. Private citizens will be given arrest powers if they are trained and specifically authorized by the governor. The new unit will exist until 2030, at which point Texas lawmakers will decide on its reauthorization. Republicans have called the bill the Border Protection Unit Act. Texas Democrats have dubbed the proposal vigilante death squads. Victoria Neve Criado, the Democratic chair of Mexican-American Legislative Caucus, said in a statement, "This dangerous, radical, and unconstitutional proposal, which empowers border vigilantes to hunt migrants and racially profile Latinos, is going to result in the death of many, many innocent people." By seeking to legalize state-run deportation squads, Texas Republicans have created a dilemma for their opponents: accept the existence of the new border unit until at least 2030, or risk challenging the law with a conservative Supreme Court, with 3 judges appointed by Donald Trump. The last thing Democrats want is for the Supreme Court to say this is legal. Eric Jamino, an assistant professor of criminology and justice studies at California State University, Northridge, grew up in the Rio Grande Valley, South Texas. Was also a police officer there for 8 years, and now researches the way border policing intersects border life. Said the Republicans know that this law is going to be unconstitutional, that's bound to get challenged in the courts, and that's why they're purposely doing it. If the gambit is successful, it will change the complexity of immigration enforcement on the border for the entire Southwest region. Thanks for watching. For more Brad Show Live, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.